So this
Right,
is
all right.
Alright, so this is the reassessment video for chapter 1. The problem we're dealing with is going to be talking about the change of momentum and the change in the magnitude of momentum. So the problem we have here, we're given a tennis ball, we're given the mass of that tennis ball, we're given its velocity, its initial velocity, and its velocity after it bounces off the wall. So, the first part of this problem, we're supposed to draw a diagram showing the initial final momentum of the tennis ball. So here we have the velocity right here. This is the initial velocity. So simply to calculate that, we're going to take the mass, which is 57 grams. We're going to convert that into kilograms. So 57 grams is equal to 0.057 kilograms. And then we're going to take that number and multiply it by the velocity given to us. So and punch that in, and we are given 2.85 kilograms times meters per second. So that is our first momentum. Now we're going to calculate the second momentum. So we see that this one was traveling in the positive x direction, this one's traveling in the negative x direction. So same thing, we have the same mass, and we're going to multiply it by this velocity. But we're going to give this one a negative since it's traveling in the opposite direction. And we plug that into the calculator, and that gives us negative 2.763 kilograms per meter second. Alright, so now we have our P2 and our P1. Alright, so in order to find the change in momentum, which is what this problem is asking for, we simply know that the formula is delta P is equal to P2 minus P1. So we just plug that in, negative 2.763 kilograms meters per second minus the 2.85 kilograms meters per second. Punch that into the calculator. Minus. Oops. And we're given 5.613 kilograms meters per second. Negative, actually, since it's a negative minus a negative. Got a bigger negative right there. So that is our change in momentum. Whoops. Alright, and now the last part of the problem asks us to find the change in the magnitude of the tennis ball's momentum. So the change in the magnitude, all we're simply going to do is compare the first momentum to the second momentum. So the 2.85 kilograms meters per second plus the negative 2.763 kilograms meters per second, and that is going to give us 1.14 kilograms meters
per second.
And that's that.